Hello guys, in this video I am going to do a refilling of HP 803 color ink cartridge. So I have ordered this ink from amazon.in. So it contains 4 ink bottles of 4 different colors: black, yellow, magenta and cyan color. Each bottle is of quantity of 100 ml as you can see, and it comes in 4 colors: black color, cyan color, magenta color and yellow color. So it is an 100 ml bottle, each price at around 300 rupees. And the total pack cost around 1200 rupees, but I got this pack at around 550 rupees on amazon.in. Buy link is given in the description. Go to the link and you can buy from there. So it also comes with 4 syringe and injections too for injecting an ink into the cartridge. Make sure you use different injections for different color, and also it comes with tissue and a plastic gloves too. So let's quickly begin the injecting of ink into the cartridge. Let's wear glove before doing that. So let's quickly begin the refilling of HP 803 cartridge. Let's keep these 3 inks aside and black ink aside. I am not going to refill a black ink cartridge because I have done it before with the help of this refill kit. You can check the video in the description and in the comment section too. So take out the 803 color ink cartridge from your HP 2132 printer or 21312 and peel out the sticker. As you can see, there are 5 holes, but you have to fill yellow color in this first hole, and on the top middle hole you have to fill the magenta color, yellow color, magenta color and a cyan color in the third hole. Make sure you inject correct color, right color in the right hole. Don't touch these copper contacts too, as it might damage your cartridge. The maximum quantity of each color ink you can refill in the HP 803 cartridge is of 3 ml of each color, but I am refilling or injecting 2 ml of ink in the cartridge to avoid any leakage of ink. Similarly, fill the remaining 2 inks in the 2 injections as I am doing so. So after filling your injections, now it's time for refilling the cartridge. Let's first inject yellow color in the HP 803 cartridge. Inject the yellow color into the left hole, top left hole of the HP 803 cartridge. And a magenta color in the top middle hole. As you can see, top middle hole, I am injecting the ink in top middle hole of HP 803 cartridge. After that, inject the cyan color in the top right hole. As you can see, top right hole, I am injecting an ink into the top right hole, 2 ml of each ink. After refilling, just shake the cartridge and wipe out the upper part of the cartridge with tissue. Sometimes after injecting an ink into the cartridge, the ink does not come out from the cartridge, from the outlet terminal of cartridge. This is because the ink got dried and you have not used that cartridge for a long time. So the solution for this is get a warm water in a cup or a bowl, and you can see the outlet terminal of the ink. This is the place where the ink gets dried. So what you have to do is you have to dip this terminal in the warm water. Just you have to dip this terminal. Don't dip the whole cartridge into the warm water, as it will damage your cartridge. Just dip that outlet terminal in the warm water. Don't take a hot water, just a moderate temperature water. As you can see, the dried ink is coming out. After that, wipe the terminal with the tissue till it get dried and reapply the sticker of the cartridge. Make sure you apply the sticker tightly. As you can see, the ink is coming out from the cartridge. So keep this cartridge at around 4 to 5 hours on the tissue paper till the ink gets soaked into the cartridge. After the ink is completely soaked by the sponge in the cartridge, just wipe out the cartridge as I am doing here in this video. As you can see, the black color is coming out. Firstly the black color was coming out, now you can see the red color and black color is coming out, and after that you can see 3 colors are coming out: orange, red and cyan color. So basically it is yellow color, red color and cyan color as I have filled. So here you can see yellow color, magenta color and cyan color. So let's see whether the print will come or not, whether I have filled it correctly or not. So I am going to take a printout of this picture. So it is printing, friends. Let's see how the quality of the Xerox will come out. It is looking good, I think so. Oh, that's look damn awesome, man. So let's compare these two pictures, one original one and one Xerox one. There is nothing much difference. The quality is very good. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Amir Khan HD. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Hope you find this video very useful.